So, now see a Zener diode. This Zener diode is designed for the special purposes. Basically, it is used for regulating voltages, fluctuating voltages, or to get the constant output voltages. Now, see here how these Zener diodes are fabricated. So, Zener diodes are fabricated actually by heavily doping, and by doping heavily here, junction of depletion region of the junction is made very thin. Because of that, electric field will become very high, around 5 into 10 raised to power 6 volt per meter. So, by reducing the width of the depletion layer, high electric field is developed here due to heavily doping, and that electric field is around this 5 into 10 raised to power 6 volt per meter, and ionization voltage for these atoms which are used for making p-n junction diode are also around 10 raised to power 6 volt per meter. And also one important thing is here, Zener diode can work in the reverse, in the breakdown region also without getting damaged. But if you take ordinary p-n junction diode, it gets damaged as it reaches to the breakdown voltage here. And where the breakdown voltage, there is a small change in the voltage and large change in current. So, the symbol of the Zener diode is taken like this. So, this is the symbol for the Zener diode, and its characteristics, Vi characteristics can be taken here, Vi. This is for the forward bias and this is for the reverse bias. This is at the breakdown voltage here. So, here this is I in microampere and I is in milliampere here. So, this is the correct Vi characteristics for the this diode, which is actually known as Zener diode. Let us see the working of the Zener diode as voltage regulator. So, when the Zener diode is used as a voltage regulator, so we can write a Zener diode as voltage regulator. So, now see here the circuit here, a resistance is used that is called RS series resistance, and then we use here a Zener diode, and one is the load resistance here, that is RL, and this is connected to here this point, and here we get unregulated voltage. See here, Zener diode is always used in reverse bias. So, there is a Zener diode. Suppose this input voltage is very high. If you are getting very high input voltage, then maximum potential drop takes place across RS, but the voltage across Zener remains constant. By this way, we can get the output voltage constant. Similarly, if this unregulated voltage is here, which is here, that is a very small voltage, a small voltage is coming. So, voltage drop across RS decreases without changing the voltage across the Zener diode. So, in this way we can take output is here regulated one or the almost the constant voltage, but that depends on the power rating of the Zener diode. For the different cases, we use Zener diode of the different power rating. So, this is the working of the Zener diode as voltage regulator.